Abdullah Abdurrahman, a 10-year-old Syrian boy, hasn't left a footprint anywhere for 2 years, since he has to resort to a walker to continue his childhood and possibly the rest of his life marred by the war. 2 years ago, on his way to a local education institute in Aleppo city, shrapnel of a blind mortar shell pierced through Abdullah's back. The doctor said that it has damaged the nerves near the spine, leaving him paralyzed despite a slight feeling in his legs. 2 years on, using a rusty walker to support himself with his feet dragging on his toes, Abdullah still remembers the details of his last walk.
كنا رايحين على المعهد أنا وأختي وبابا. ربت قذيفة وبابت في ظهري سببت لي شلل نصفي بالعمود الفقري. بابا أحسن أوقف على إجري. صرت ما أحسن أنزل ألعب مع رفقاتي مثل أولي بالطوبة.
The hardest days were over, as Abdullah has accepted his condition now and got used to it.
صرت أضل بالبيت بقيت تقريبا بالبيت 7 شهور. أتمنى إنه أرجع أطيب وألعب مع رفقاتي بالطوبة مثل الأول.
At first, the therapist would come at his home. Then he started moving on his walker to get to him and go to school with the help of his friends. Hoping to become a pediatrician, Abdullah keeps the smile on his face where optimism radiates from his eyes, penetrating the hearts of the people around, as if his disability has given him strength that no walking man could ever feel.